Hi, I'm Amy and welcome to my video series on how to knit. Today we're going to look at 3 things to finish off the triangles. We're going to look at weaving in the ends, fixing any mistakes and blocking them in water. So here we go. So to weave in the ends, grab one of your triangles, a tapestry needle and some scissors. Thread your tapestry needle and secure the end by weaving it in and out of the stitches along a row like this. You want to weave this in for about an inch before going backwards a few stitches like this. Trim the end and repeat this for all the loose ends on your triangles. For the ends at the bottom of the triangles, I weave them in like this. This will keep them all secure so they don't unravel later. So you'll see here that this triangle has a few holes along the top. I'm going to show you how to sew them up so they're not as visible. Cut a length of the same colour yarn and thread your tapestry needle. Then, following the same method we just used to weave in the ends, I'm going to weave the yarn in and out of the stitches and this will help to close up the hole. Don't forget to leave a 6-inch tail on this new length of yarn as we'll need to weave this in at the end too. Repeat till you have closed up any holes. And the last thing to do is to block the triangles in water. This is the equivalent of ironing them and will make them nice and neat and flat. Grab a bowl of water and let your triangles soak for a minute. Squeeze out as much water as you can and then lay them out flat to dry. To be honest, if your triangles are already flat and not curling up at the bottom, you can skip this step, but this is a really useful thing to know for finishing off any other future knitting projects. And that's it. Next I'll show you how to string the tassels and how to string them up. See you then.